Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Roald from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw across a curved line around his neck. And then on both sides, I'm gonna draw a curved line up. And for the top portion of his head, I'm gonna draw across another curved line. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw an oval shape. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw an oval shape on the left side of his face. And I'm gonna draw another oval shape inside of that. And I'm gonna fill that in with black color, and we're gonna copy the same thing on the right side. Now for his bill, I'm gonna draw across a curved line from this point to the right, and we're gonna draw across another curved line for the lower part of the bill, and another curved line in the center right there. And on the inner portion of the bill, on the top part, I'm gonna add 2 dots on both sides right there. Now below the head on the side, I'm going to draw a curved line out and turn it down. Now I'm going to make a turn to the center and stop there. And for the side of his shirt, I'm going to draw a curved line from this point down. And we're going to do the same thing on the right side as well. Now at that lower point of the shirt, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. Below the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a circular shape for the tip of his hand on both sides. And below the shirt, I'm gonna draw another circular shape, curved line from the sides. And at the lower point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And for his feet, I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line down and another one off center. And we're gonna make a semicircle line below that, and a curved line out, semicircle turn at the outer point, and across a curved line at the lower point of the feet. And I'm going to copy the same shape on the right side as well. Now below the shirt on the side, I'm going to draw a curved line down. Now for the collar of the shirt, I'm gonna draw across a curved line at this point below the neck, and at the side I'm gonna draw a curved line to that point on both sides. And off center to the right, I'm gonna draw a line down right there, and I'm gonna draw some buttons coming down in the middle point right here. And for the checkered patterns on his shirt, I'm gonna draw some lines coming down along the arm, and lines horizontally across. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.